Today we are unboxing Michael's grab bags. They're actually grab boxes now, so we're actually unboxing. They have upped the price. They used to be $4, they jumped to $5, now they're $10. But they're kind of worth it. And just wait until you see what is inside of these. I'm extremely happy with what came in my boxes. I'm also going to show you some pictures of what came in my friends' boxes. First of all, I have to say thank you to Bonnie for texting to tell me that Michael's had their grab bags out. And thank you to Christine and Leah for going to pick up 2 boxes for me. Together they got 8 boxes. So my friend Christine that focused specifically on boxes that had flowers, and you can kind of peek inside and see, because there's little holes and stuff, you can kind of look and see what's inside. But she estimated that she probably had about $3,000 worth of flowers in her boxes. She did actually total up. One of the boxes alone was $668, and unbelievable, beautiful florals and perfect for the craft that she does. So in my box, one of the first thing that I have a handful of, I could make a bouquet of dog bones. So coming in at $5.99 each, we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was a 6th one actually, I already gave that away. So 6 dog bones there. I was extremely excited to see these. How perfect are these little craft organizers that actually can unbutton and lay flat? Perfect for my craft room. If you know me, you know blush pink is my favorite color. So there's not even a price on these ones, but happy for those. There are so many, like an entire box full of beautiful sprigs. And there's this cute little birdhouse, a $7.99 price tag on that one. This little bird, also a $7.99. Just adorable. Actually, I already know what I'm going to do with some of these. So when I do my pictures for the different crafts that I have created, I like to change up the background for the scenery, and these little pieces are perfect for that kind of stuff. So let's look at like one single one here. Comes in at $2.99 for this little guy. We've got this kind here. So there's all sorts of sprigs like this. The entire box is actually full of them. There's some succulents. Like, to buy these individually are very expensive, and I do really enjoy having them to take pictures. Beautiful flowers. So I'll pull out some of the big flowers that are here. And the price tags on these actually shows you what you can do with them. So this is $6.99. They have like a loop on the back, which is perfect for my bay window when I make banners. All of these are the same with the loops on the back. And they have different examples of how you can use them. This one's interesting. It's got a ring on it as well. But let's focus on this side. Let's see how many there are so far. We have 4, 5. Okay, so that's this maybe 5 of that size. And then everything else is pretty much like a repeat of what I've already shown you. There's like all kinds of different houses and this fun little purple fluff and just all different sorts of sprigs. Other little flowers like this. The whole box is just full of them. But one thing that I will show you, actually, this guy right here, I have unboxed this for you previously. These are a part of my fairy garden that I made outside the front of my house. So I'm happy to add another one of those to my collections. And I remember these prices, they were like $7.99 each, and they're perfect little additions to my fairy garden that I have out front. And like if I just take this little flower pot, things that I had actually previously bought from Michael's, all these different little flowers. These ones are IKEA actually. My little FabFitFun vase. But we could just add in to this here on the fly some fun little sprigs and little bird. There we go. There's a cute little bouquet for my craft room. I'll just add it over there to the corner and see where it is placed there. There's another different colored one of these. So anyway, a whole box full of this kind of stuff. That's box number 1. Let's go to box number 2. So here we are with the fall pieces of the box. So we start off with this beautiful little, I guess it's supposed to be a placemat, but it's kind of like centerpiece that would be beautiful in the center of a table or in my bay window. So that's perfect. And then we have this gorgeous little mushroom. So that one didn't have a price on it, but this one has a tag. And on here we have $42.99, and look at how beautiful that is. I really love this little piece. So that's cute. This I don't love. Not sure what I should do with this. I love the idea of this. I love the idea of a garland. If you have seen my decorated bay window, you will know I often hang garlands in it. I might be able to use this. Otherwise, I could see actually just using the felt from it as texture on a page, folding that up, stapling it to the end of a junk journal kind of idea. And the price tag on this, $24.99. So that's probably my least favorite thing in the whole box, but I did get some ribbon that I really find quite beautiful. Fantastic, again, for my junk journals or for creating a gift basket. Those are handy. One of my favorite things here is this beautiful pumpkin, and the price on this one, $20, so $19.99 on that guy. But that's not all. We also have this fall leaf, and it is also $19.99. And then another ribbon, a different ribbon than the first one, and the ribbons are valued here at a price of $12.99. Here's this beautiful oak leaf. Okay. Oh, I've got another placemat. Again, there wasn't a price tag on it. I'm saving my favorite thing till the very end. This I was excited to see in the box. I will definitely add this to my bay window. This cute little acorn garland, and it is also $24.99. That is going to be perfect for my fall decorating. There's another garland here, $42.99. And actually, I feel like this one could almost be more Christmassy than this one. The other pieces want to keep attaching themselves to it. but it does have a few little sprigs. But if you took those little sprigs out, this could totally be a beautiful garland for the winter and the fall. You could actually use it as a combination. There's this tray, and it has a value of $20 as well. So that in there. And my absolute favorite thing that makes it worth the entire box, some things that I would have purchased on my own, you will recognize these as something that I use quite often as trims in my junk journals. So here is one of my recent junk journals. If you like paper crafting and you want to follow along, you can see how I use these kind of trims exactly for this sort of project. And these are beautiful. They are $12.99, and you can see all of the beautiful colors and textures. Now I can separate these. This green will be a great Christmas one. And like some of these neutrals could be used any time of the year, but they have so many beautiful textures. And to get two of them, these are things I would have bought full price and was extremely happy to have added to my collection. As you know, like I store my little trims like this in these little bags. I definitely gravitate toward like the pinks and the pastels, but it'll be nice now I can add some of these ones to my collection. So this is different unboxing. I had to sort of span out and show you more of my craft room. One of these days I'm going to do a craft room tour for everyone so you can see everything in my room. But overall, $20 for those two boxes. Definitely got my money's worth. What was your favorite thing in the box? So I was ecstatic to be able to pick these up. Some of the stuff I will donate. That's what I've often done with the grab boxes in the past, is I'll take some stuff out, gift some, donate some, just pass it along, because certainly I don't need that many of all of those sprigs and little nests and things, but I'm sure I'll find something fun to do with them. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you like paper crafts, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time.